और ये इसने जो फूड खाया where it is going? ऐसे बता बेटा, तो डाइजेशन हमने थोड़ी सी पढ़ी थी। आज हम बेटा we know that first we enter the food in our mouth, that we don't know where the food is going. Is it?
Yes.
There are different parts involved to digest food, to absorb food and utilize food. Today we are discussing about, thank you so much beta, digestive system. Class for us. We already learned about different systems. Nervous systems already learned.
Yes.
Circulatory system.
Yes.
Today we are learning about
Digestive system.
Okay. Now start from parts of digestive system. There are different parts. It starts from mouth. Are we using our nose to eating food?
No.
Eyes?
No.
Ears?
No.
Any other part of body?
No.
We use our
Mouth.
mouth. So it starts from
Mouth.
mouth. Here you can look at here. It's a mouth. There are different parts present here. Esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum, and last one is that is excreted out from our body. Clear है बच्चों?
Yes.
One by one हम इन सारे parts को पढ़ेंगे. It's visible for you. The very first portion is called mouth, esophagus, stomach. There are different glands are present. One by one इसको भी discuss करेंगे. Small intestine and last one is large intestine. Large intestine is last very into rectum and then into
Yes.
you can see that easily. It's a complete tract. Is it?
Yes.
It's not be finished or it's not being completed in one place. It starts from here. Is it disclosed? No. It's ended into another. It's a complete pipe. It's a complete tract or it's a complete canal. So these completely are called alimentary canal. What we say?
Alimentary canal.
Okay. Is it clear for all?
Yes.
The journey of food from mouth to
Anus.
from mouth to
Anus.
okay. Where is your mouth? Very good. Mouth. The main function. What's the main function of mouth?
Eating.
Chewing the food and grind. And the teeth helps them to grind the food into small pieces. And what's the role of tongue? Swallow basically. It looks like a slide. When you open your tongue, open it and eat something. Is it swallow? No, it's not swallowed by you. What's the reason behind it? Because tongue helps us to swallow food. Now, I watched some video of its mouth portion. Are you excited?
Yes.
Digestion in human beings. Human beings take food through mouth and digest it in specific organs for digestion. The undigested food is defecated. The food we take passes through a specific canal
This
which
canal is
begins
called
with buccal
alimentary
cavity. This canal is called alimentary canal or the digestive tract. The parts of the alimentary canal are buccal cavity,
Buccal cavity is also called oral cavity.
esophagus,
What is this?
large intestine, small intestine, rectum, and anus.
Here?
Yes.
Gets digested gradually as it passes through the various parts of the tract. Digestive juices secreted by the salivary glands, liver, and pancreas also aid digestion. Mouth and the buccal cavity. Food intake in human beings is through mouth. This process of taking food is called ingestion.
The role of tongue is
Chewing
visible for
food is
you?
very necessary
Yes. Is
for
it
proper
visible?
digestion.
Yes.
The digestion process starts in the mouth itself. What
Grinding and
happens
swallowing
during chewing?
process are going side by
The
side.
large pieces of food we eat are mechanically broken down into small pieces. Teeth helps us in doing so. action of saliva on food. During chewing, food mixes with saliva. Saliva is secreted from salivary glands located on the lower jaw between the tongue and teeth. Saliva converts starch in the food into sugars and also softens the food. Tongue. Taste of food can be detected by the taste buds present on the tongue. Tongue is a fleshy muscular organ attached to the floor of the buccal cavity. It is free at the front and moves in all directions. Taste buds appear as small bumps on the tongue and have different regions which help us enjoy different tastes. Esophagus or food pipe.
Okay, stop it.
The swallow.
Move to our PPT. Okay, mouth clear for all?
Yes.
Now we are moving toward portion. Where is mouth? This is a portion of mouth. Here the teeth and the tongue is existed. Now we are moved towards second portion. It's called esophagus. What's its name?
Esophagus.
Basically, it's just a pipe. It makes a connection between your mouth and your stomach. It's a track or it's a pathway to move a food from mouth to stomach. There is no clear important role as a digestion. But without it, यहाँ पर ये नहीं होगा तो क्या होगा? Is it possible to food move from here to here?
No.
Without the esophagus, no food move from mouth to stomach. The muscular tubes transport bolus. Bolus is called the piece of food that is completely softened or very swollen portion. It's called bolus. From mouth to stomach. Clear the function of esophagus?
Yes.
Now we are moving towards stomach. Where is stomach?
In our belly.
Touch body. Where is your stomach? Where do you feel fullness?
In our stomach.
Stomach. Stomach कहाँ पे बेटा? It's here. Its shape is like
J.
It looks like
J.
It's a very important part of our digestive system. In the mouth, grinding and somehow digestion takes place, but the most of the digestion are take place in
Stomach.
We already know that in a different chemical changes of chemical reaction chapters we learned it. Hydrochloric acid is present in our stomach.
Yes.
Is that clear for all?
Yes.
What's the function of hydrochloric acid? Yes, anyone? Yes, Anna, please.
When the hydrochloric acid is present in stomach, which feed the microorganism in the food.
Okay, very good. Class for second. Students who eat the food, it contains a lot of germs, a lot of impure bacteria. When it's entered in our stomach, it causes a lot of diseases for us. But nature make already hydrochloric acid is a specific acid. What's its working? It kills all the germs present in our food. Because once the food is entered in a small intestine or a large intestine, it not come back or not be filtered again. Clear for all?
Yes.
The main function of stomach is digest food and temporarily store food. When the small intestine is filled with already food, stomach can take food for some time until it's required. Clear for all? Okay, again.
Food from the mouth passes onto the esophagus. The epiglottis, which is a flat-like structure behind the tongue, directs the food into the esophagus and is entering into the larynx. The first time the esophagus helps the food to move down the
What is
tract.
this?
to the intestine.
This look like?
J.
Very good. What is this? Yellow color.
The stomach is a bag-like structure with thick wall. It is in the shape of a flattened U and is
It
the
cutting
largest
down all
part
the
in
food
the
particles
alimentary
into
canal.
small pieces or digestive portion.
The food that enters the stomach is churned and mixes with the mucus. Hydrochloric acid and digestive juices secreted by the inner lining of the stomach. The acid helps to kill the bacteria present in the
We
food.
already have learned
It
it.
also makes the medium in the stomach acidic. The digestive juices secreted by the stomach break down proteins into simpler substances. Then the food is emptied into small intestine.
Okay, stop it. Now the food is entering small intestine. This portion is called small intestine. Now we are moving toward next slide. Small intestine, it has smooth muscles that also churn the food. This is how where the most of the chemical digestion process happens. Last, completely digestion. Something that we may not have digested or completely digested at small intestine. And we already know that हमारी बॉडी में कौन सी चीज है जो पूरी बॉडी में मूव करती है? ब्लड इज मूविंग ऑल द पार्ट्स ऑफ बॉडी और ब्लड नहीं बेटा हमारी बॉडी के डिफरेंट पार्ट्स तक फूड को भी लेकर जाना है. तो ब्लड के अंदर फूड देने वाला काम किसका है? स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन ने क्या करना है? जितनी भी रिमेनिंग डाइजेस्टिव रहती है उसे कंप्लीट करके जो हमारा रिमेनिंग जो ब्लड के अंदर एब्जॉर्ब होने वाला मटेरियल है सेल को रिक्वायर है. ऑब्वियसली फूड से हमें एनर्जी चाहिए ना, वो रिक्वायरमेंट सारी किसने पूरी करनी है? स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन ने. क्लियर? यस. समझ आ गई स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन की? ओके. नाउ वी आर मूव टुवर्ड लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन. लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन इज द वेरी लास्ट पोर्शन ऑफ our digestive tract of alimentary canal. What's the main function? The large intestine has three primary functions: absorbing water, producing and absorbing vitamin, and absorbing and properly feces toward the return from elimination. What's the function? जो remaining अपने food के अंदर water particles था, बेटा उसने क्या करना? उसको अपने अंदर absorb करवा लेना है blood के अंदर, और जो feces जो excreting out ऐसा मटेरियल जो हमारी बॉडी में नहीं चाहिए उसने रेक्टम तक लेकर आ जाना है. एंड देन फ्रॉम रेक्टम टू एनस इट मूव आउट फ्रॉम आवर बॉडी. क्लियर? यस. ओपन करें.
Small intestine. Small intestine is a highly coiled structure and is about 7.5 meters long. As soon as the small intestine receives food from the stomach,
Food going towards
the
small
digestive juices from
intestine.
liver and pancreas are mixed into it. Liver. Liver is the largest gland in the human body and is situated in the upper side of the abdomen. To the right, it is reddish brown in color. It secretes bile, which breaks down feeds pancreatic juice, which acts and breaks down carb digestion of any remaining components in food. Consumed is digested and is now ready to be absorbed into the blood. Absorption of food in the small intestine. The inner wall of the small intestine has finger-like projections called villi, which have a network of thin blood vessels close to the surface.
Blood vessels are attached in this portion.
The villus increases the surface area of absorption and absorbs the digested food materials. The substances thus absorbed are transported through the bloodstream to different organs in the body and are used to build and water with the help of oxygen and releases energy.
These are
The undigested and unabsorbed food enters the large intestine. The large intestine is wider than small intestine and measures 1.5 meters in length. Once the undigested food enters the large intestine, it absorbs water and some salts from it and passes the remaining waste into the rectum. Here it remains as semi-solid fecus. The fecal matter is removed through the anus.
From our
This is
body.
called
Okay,
egestion.
slides. Complete process clear हो गया सबको?
Yes.
Is it clear?
No.
Now we are moved toward our first slide.
Human beings take food through mouth and digest it in specific organs for digestion. The undigested
Okay. First portion is gone.
Mouth.
What's the function of mouth? Grinding and convert into
Small
feces and the food and the way or a tube that connects mouth and
a function in which a small intestine has to absorb the water.
Very good. Water. All the digestive particles are absorbed at small intestine.
intestine.
Absorbing blood. Last जो process हमारा absorption का होता है blood